Kotoko ne Samate's game no mark the beginning of justify your inclusion for Kumasi Asante Kotoko players, because at the end of the season we are told say it is reportedly say Kotoko ebema about 12 to 15 players Kotoko ebe let go of about 12 to 15 players muntie na monhye so na justify your inclusion no ehya with Samate's game no we a player ye the monitor bi aba monitor neoma na umode mono ankon kan with the rest of the 9 to 8 games ya kaya. It means say at the end of the season no Kumasi Asante Kotoko ene won toaso. That's the information which is coming on the low key from Kumasi Asante Kotoko ahead of game Ekoso Kwesiada against Samates ewo Baba Nyara Sports Stadium. And I think say a pretty good news. Players no I will say biko maybe ba na wow money mo song kind you are going to be maintained, and wow money mo ankoye no so Kotoko beja okwan. That is the news and pay me sorry me far phone check you know kakra air pop up na me see no super 24 TV TV4 ni ahwefo I was say me blog way more na omunya information na air kono and me ni omo ya adwen currently a team no it is about 29 registered players, and I think say too much as a football team there. When your team no should be 25 man squad. No Liverpool omo hey Atalanta return game. Omo traveling team no mrofo no me monitor omo kakra. Misua no omo free omo ho. Was a team omo de call omo games no squad no maximum no omo de 25 players. It's a kobata iron droppy player bi abata have players the be 30. Edru match day squad na ye 20. Kumasi hard drain pass I don't know in a different day you be shada aye ho analysis so match day squad and as a squad in 25 nanka ye come match day games ye the 25 ni nyina akọ but Ghana football na eche say yemfa 20 people enkotena bench but still e betimi the 25 ni nyina akọ. Well mamemfa Ghana Premier League fixtures no emma match day 27 e be so next Saturday Accra so folk ebe call Legon Cities ni omo akopem so Karela United ene Accra Lions be bo Asante Kotoko Kwesiada no miensa against Samates but for quarter no ne Bechim United Rotamale United ene Insuatreman game no ebe ba so Kwesiada Gold Stars ene Aduana Heart of Lions ene Nations FC Nations Kotoko Koshew ntimo nso munya wa na mu close gap Brekum Chelsea ni media man na Great Olympics ene Dreams FC.